1. Sesquipedalian, Sesquipedalian, meaning using very long words. Example, his Sesquipedalian speech impressed everyone. 2. Obfuscate, Obfuscate, meaning to make something unclear or difficult to understand. Example, the lawyer tried to obfuscate the truth. 3. Precarious, Precarious, meaning dangerous or not secure. Example, they live in a precarious situation. 4. Eloquent, Eloquent, meaning fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Example, she gave an eloquent speech. 5. Capitulate, Capitulate, meaning to surrender or give up. Example, the army was forced to capitulate. 6. Eschew, meaning to deliberately avoid something. Example, he eschews junk food. 7. Disparate, Disparate, meaning very different or unrelated. Example, they come from disparate backgrounds. 8. Pernicious, Pernicious, meaning having a harmful effect, especially gradually. Example, pernicious habits can slowly destroy your health. 9. Rack your brain. Rack your brain, meaning to think very hard. Example, I racked my brain to remember the answer. 10. Call off, meaning to cancel something. Example, they called off the picnic because of the rain. Super slow pronunciation practice, Sesquipedalian, says, quai, puh, day, li, un obfuscate, ob, fuss, Kate Precarious, pry, car, us eloquent, quent capitulate, ku, pick, late eschew, ace, chu disparate, dis, pu, rut pernicious, nish, us rack your brain, rack, your brain, call off,